Good morning students. In the previous video we have done exercise 4.3. Now we are doing exercise 4.4. 4.4 is the last exercise of this chapter, linear equation in two variable. Then after I will take a test in my next video, and in next video I will give you a PDF on Monday, and that time you have to solve with this PDF in your classwork notebook. Then I will check it later. So you have to do this. Okay student, now let us start exercise 4.4. Question number 1. First one is give the geometric representation of y is equal to 3 as an equation. Y is equal to 3. It is given that y is equal to 3 is an equation, and we have to find in answer in one variable and in two variable. First we will solve it by in one variable. First method is we have to show y is equal to 3 in a graph paper. How we can show it? You can take y axis like in this form, or also you can write in this form. Suppose that this is y axis, so we have to show y is equal to 3 in this representation. 3, this is the positive value, so what we can write? 0, 1, 2, 3. This is y is equal to 3. Similarly here minus 1, minus 2, like this. We have arranged y axis in horizontal form. Either you can solve it like this. This is also a correct method. You can do it like this if you have any problem. This is x, x dash, y, y dash. You can show it like this also. 0, 1, 2, 3. This is y is equal to 3. Both the answers are correct. You can solve it by like this or by like this. This depends on you. Now the second part is we have to show y is equal to 3 in two variable form. Student, think about it. Here the equation is in only one variable. One variable means here the equation is in one variable. One variable means y is equal to 3, it is given. But we have to write it in the form of two variable. How we can write it in the two form? Variable in two variable, we can write it 0 into x plus y is equal to 3. We can write it like this because 0 into x is 0 and y is equal to 3. So the equation is like this, y is equal to 3. So x 0 into x plus y is equal to 3. Now we have to represent it in the geometrical form like this. How we can solve it? You have to draw a table as we have done earlier in the previous questions. This is x, this is y. Now students, put the value of x here. Suppose हम x की जगह पे यहाँ पे 1 रख देते हैं. What we will get? Suppose I am writing 0 into 1 plus y is equal to 3. It means देखिए किसी भी नंबर को आप 0 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, what will be the answer? Answer will be 0. So y is equal to 3. Similarly you can put, if I am putting x is equal to 2, then you will get y is equal to 3. If I am putting x is equal to 3, then you will get y is equal to 3. ऑल द नंबर, अगर हम x की कोई भी वैल्यू यहाँ पे रख दें तो स्टूडेंट्स क्या आएगा? y की सारी वैल्यूज कितनी आएंगी? 3 आएंगी. सो यू कैन पुट इट लाइक दिस. सपोज आई एम पुटिंग 1, तो आंसर y is 3, 2, y is 3, 3, y is 3. So now we have to represent it in the graph paper. Now student, we will make a graph like this. This is x axis, this is y axis, y dash, x and x dash. This point is 0, 1, 2, 3. Similarly here 1, 2, 3, 4, like this. All the values are positive, so it will be in first quadrant. So what we will do? If x is equal to 1, the value of y is equal to 3. X is equal to 2, y is equal to 3. X is equal to 3, y is equal to 3. So graph of this representation is in the form of two variable. It will be in a straight line. So this is the answer. So you can note it down in your notebook. And then similarly we can do the question number 2 here. Question number 2 is In question number 2, give the geometrical representation of 2x plus 9. Question number 2 is 2x plus 9 is equal to 0. Again we have to show it in one variable and in two variable. One variable is very easy. What we will do, we can write it 2x is equal to minus 9. So x is equal to minus 9 by 2, that is minus 4.5. We have to represent it in the form of x-axis. So x-axis is very easy. We can know that this is x-axis, x dash. Value is in the negative form, so it will become in the left side. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Value is here minus 4.5. So we will know that 4.5 will come between 4 and 5. 4 and 5 के बीच में ही आपका 4.5 आएगा. So this is minus 4.5. This is the representation of 2x plus 9 is equal to 0 in one variable. Now we have to show it in the form of two variable again. What we will do, similarly here what we have done, उसको हम ऐसे ही कर सकते हैं सेम इसी की तरफ. देखिए आप, अगर हम इसको यहाँ पे इरेज कर दें तो क्या आएगा इसका सेकेंड पार्ट. देखिए here we can write it 2x plus 0 into y plus 9 is equal to 0. We can write it like this. Here it in the form of 0 into y. इसका मतलब अगर हम इसमें y की कोई भी वैल्यू पुट करते हैं, suppose I am putting y is equal to 1. What is the value of here? x is equal to minus 4.5. वही सेम कंडीशन जो आपने पहले क्वेश्चन में की हुई है. जैसे कि यहाँ पे कितना आ रहा था आपका, 1 पे कितना था, 1 पे 3, 2 3, 3 3. Similarly here 1 4 minus 4.5, y is equal to 2, x is equal to minus 4.5, y is equal to 3, x is equal to minus 4.5. Now change it here. In the previous question we have changed it. Table is same as like this. Put the values of y 1 2 3. You will get the value of x minus 4.5, minus 4.5, minus 4.5. Now we will show it in the form of graphical representation. How we can show it? Again make the graph of this equation. This is x-axis, this is y-axis, this is y dash. So students, value is here y is equal to 1 2 3, 1 2 3, and the value of x is minus 4.5. Minus 4.5 will come in this side, left side. What we have done, 0. This is minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5. Again this line is, this point is 4 minus 4.5. Now we have to show it in the form of graphical representation. Here value of y is equal to 1, so the value of x is, this one is minus 4.5. When y is equal to 2, this is minus 4.5. When y is equal to 3, this is minus 4.5. Again join this. You can join it like this. This equation you can write minus 4.5 comma 1, minus 4.5 comma 2, minus 4.5 comma 3. So students, this is the graphical representation of this equation in one variable and two variable. Here the value of y is not given, so the graph is like this. ऐसे बनेगा ग्राफ. अगर जहाँ पे आपको x की वैल्यू ना दी हो, y की वैल्यू दी हो, तो आपका ग्राफ कैसा बना था, ऐसा बना था. You can see this. These are the very important questions for your exam point of view. So I am giving some extra question to solve it, and then I will take your test on Monday. So you have to solve in this test in your classwork notebook only. Okay. and I will take the test of chapter number 4 only. Okay students, now note it down. Students, now these are the questions, these 3 questions you have to solve. First one is draw the graph of the equation. It is given that the equation is x plus 2 is equal to 0. Equation is x plus 2 is equal to 0. First you have to draw it in one variable form. One variable form already it is given, and in second one in two variable form. You have to put x plus 0 into y plus 2 is equal to 0. Now you can arrange like this. First and second question we have done earlier. By this method you have to solve. Second question, give the geometrical representation of y plus 6 is equal to 0 in two variable. In this question you have to find the geometrical representation in only two variable only, not in one variable. So you have to show it in two variable. Means you have to put 0 into x plus y is equal to y plus 6 is equal to 0. Third question is express this equation as a linear equation and draw the graph. First you have to solve this equation in 4x is equal to 3 minus 1 that is 2. Then find the value of x. Then in one variable you can find, and in two variable you can find it. That's all. These two questions we have done today. So chapter 4 is now completed. Then after we will start Euclid geometry chapter number 5. So students, you have to solve this in your rough notebook, these questions, and that two questions exercise 4.4 you have to solve in fair notebook. And then on Monday I will send you a PDF, not a video. So I will make a PDF and then send you, and you have to solve it that questions in your classwork notebook. Okay students, thank you for showing this.